Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. I'm assuming if you're watching this video, then you will be PCSing to Misawa in the near future. I'm going to first start off with the TLF where we stayed when we first arrived. The TLF is similar to main base towers, but there's honestly so many types of layouts for each house style. You can find the layouts on the Misawa Housing Facebook page. So this is what it looks like when you first walk in. There's two elevators. Since we had dogs, we could only go to the second floor. Allowed to stay on the second floor. That's the designated area for pets, so that's probably where you'll be staying if you are in the TLF when you first get here. Most people stay in the TLF or the Misawa Inn. So this is what it looks like when you walk right through the door. There's a nice open hallway with lots of natural light and lots of storage. Then you get a view of the kitchen. It is kind of small, but it's very open, which was nice. Not all houses are going to look like this. I know when we first got here, we were able to look at two houses, one on main base and one on north base, and the tower on main base looks similar to this. Now I'm showing the living room, dining room area, very open floor plan like I said. You have a nice patio right off the living room. Nice little balcony. Now continuing on with the house, you have a laundry room, of course, which is just the simple washer and dryer with cabinets. Then since we're staying in the TLF, they gave us two bedrooms. This is about the size of the bedrooms that they have, so just be aware of that. With lots of storage again. As you can see, there's another area with storage right off the bathroom. Here's the master bedroom. It also has a small little patio outside, which was nice, and the same amount of storage. There's my husband there. And this is the bathroom. Nothing crazy, just plain and simple. These definitely are not one of the renovated areas on base. Here is the style of house that we chose, the H style. It is on north base and it does have air conditioning, which was a big factor, and the H styles have a yard. So the H style, he split with 3 other families, 2 downstairs, 2 upstairs. And you split who mows the lawn and who shovels the snow. You each have your designated areas. So you each have 2 storage areas. This one is right across the hall from us for our storage area because we are house number B. So that was a nice storage area to have. And you also get one outside for outside stuff like lawnmower and stuff like that. And when you first walk in, you have a nice coat closet. It goes pretty deep in and a little bit around the corner. Has plenty of storage. And then the living room is pretty big. Even we have furniture in it now and it's still pretty spacious. And then you have the doors to go out. It's a struggle getting the doors open. There's so many. A nice big patio, and those are our neighbors across. So we split the grass in the middle and then we mow our half in the fence and outside the fence. Coming back inside, we have the laundry room on the right with sliding doors, simple cabinets, washer dryer. And the dining room kitchen area, I love that there's so much natural light in here. It makes it feel a lot more spacious. If you are PCSing to Misawa, leave your favorite emoji in the comments so I can say hi. This is the master bedroom, or our master bedroom. We decided to make it because of the way the sun rises and sets. It's pretty standard size, nothing crazy big or anything like that, but it works. There's also storage closet and the storage cabinets. And then there's another little storage cabinet we use for linens. This is our bathroom. It is definitely updated compared to the TLF one. Just you can tell everything looks a lot newer. Now for us, the H style is plenty of storage space. We don't have any kids, so we have lots of extra storage places in the kitchen and in the guest room, which is in here. So that is nice for us. We don't really worry about space too much, although our outside storage is full. But the closets are pretty large. They go in pretty far. And then there's the cabinets that go deep above it. So that is the H house style home. I will be doing an updated house tour with our furniture if you're interested. I hope you like this video and it helped you out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye.